In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to update your billing details or switch to a different payment option, I've got you covered. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you're not already familiar, Squarespace is a popular platform used by many people for building websites because of its user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates. Once you're on the site, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you encounter any issues during login, make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the account dashboard. This is the control center for managing your site and settings. It's where you can access various features and options to customize your online presence. From here, the next step will be to select the Settings option. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new screen where you can manage everything from your site preferences to account information. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you should see an option labeled Billing. Go ahead and open the Billing panel, as this is where all things related to your payment methods reside. The Billing section allows you to manage payments, invoices, and any other financial-related details for your Squarespace account. Within the Billing panel, look for the Payment section. Here, you can update your billing address. A current and correct billing address is crucial, as it ensures accurate invoicing and can help prevent billing issues or disruptions to your service. Simply follow the prompts to input your address details if they need updating. Next up, you'll have the choice between using PayPal or adding new credit or debit card details for your payment method. If you prefer the convenience of PayPal, simply log in with your account and link it to Squarespace. Alternatively, if you choose to add a card, you'll need to enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Whichever method you choose, make sure all details are entered accurately to avoid any payment issues. Finally, once you've entered your new payment information, click the Save Payment Method button. This action will secure your payment details in the system and ensure that future transactions are processed smoothly. It's always good practice to double-check that everything is correctly saved. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your payment method on Squarespace. Remember, keeping your payment information up to date is essential for uninterrupted service. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out additional resources on the Squarespace support page.